We left San Miguel to spend the following night on anchor. We had a pleasant sail and we arrived well in the Turtle Bay. We secured our trimaran on a moored buoy. To be secure for the night, we attached a second rope.
My monkey is back!
I didn't have such a good night. Always woke up because this buoy was slamming against the boat. We are going to La Gomera today. The next morning the wind was stronger than expected and against us. We found shelter in the port San Juan. We waited for the wind to calm down and then we continued our way along the coast. We are finally sailing again. We had to motor up the coast to the north. Now we have a good course to go to San Sebastián de la Gomera. When we were close to a town called Los Gigantes, we changed our course to La Gomera and we set sail.
So, welcome to La Gomera.
We were thrilled to arrive to a new island. La Gomera is also called the Green Island, and it's the favorite island for most of the sailors here. We were just about entering into the port. We had the permission from the authorities, and now we see that the ferry is just leaving. So I think it's better to wait a moment. Being in a marina is nice, close to supermarkets, bars and having the luxury of hot showers. But we prefer to stay on anchor, not paying any marina fee and enjoy the nature. We sailed down to a beach in the south of the island and stayed there for 1 week. We found a nice bay. We call it the hippy-beach. Every morning we have the same two visitors, and they are getting a bit they're coming closer and closer. Look at that. We didn't understood what these two seagulls wanted from us. Maybe they just wanted to check out the kayak. Going to the shore is not that easy. This time I really messed up with the timing with the waves. We had to climb over a rock to go to the other beach. This is a hippie beach in La Gomera. People are walking around naked all day, living very simple, in caves, in tents. We heard some of them are part-time hippies, which means they are going back to their countries and go to work, and then they come here for a couple of months to enjoy the life in the sun and in the nature without any duties, being connected with the nature. It's amazing to see people living a simple life in caves. They are all very friendly and there is a nice community here. Our way back to San Sebastian was quite challenging. It's only a sail of 1 hour, but the wind is always blowing from the opposite direction. We chose a calm day, and we motored with full power against the wind. But because of the acceleration zones, the wind went up to 20 knots. We are in the acceleration zone. The wind picked up 20 knots. Back in the marina, we started to make plans for exploring this beautiful island. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to our channel, give it a thumb up, and see you soon.